Here is a beginner-level customer service quiz that covers customer advocacy, customer emotion and experience management, and personalization of customer interactions. Let's go! 1. What is the primary role of a customer service manager in customer advocacy? A. Ensuring customer complaints are ignored. B. Representing customer interests within the company. C. Prioritizing company policies over customer satisfaction. And D. Avoiding direct communication with customers. Answer: representing customer interests within the company. 2. Which of the following best describes customer advocacy? A. Addressing customer needs and ensuring their concerns are heard. B. Promoting only the most profitable customers. C. Avoiding customer feedback to prevent conflicts. And D. Reducing the number of customer interactions to minimize issues. Answer: addressing customer needs and ensuring their concerns are heard. 3. How can a company demonstrate strong customer advocacy? A. By ignoring customer complaints. B. By directing all customer issues to a third party. C. By limiting customer interactions to save time. And D. By consistently addressing customer concerns and improving services. Answer: by consistently addressing customer concerns and improving services. 4. Which of the following is not an element of customer advocacy? A. Listening to customer feedback. B. Prioritizing customer needs in business decisions. C. Hiding negative reviews to protect the brand. And D. Educating customers about the company's products and services. Answer: hiding negative reviews to protect the brand. 5. Why is customer emotion management important in customer service? A. It helps retain customers by understanding their emotions and needs. B. It ensures employees can manipulate customers' feelings. C. It makes interactions strictly logical, without emotional considerations. And D. It allows businesses to control customer decisions. Answer: it helps retain customers by understanding their emotions and needs. 6. Which customer service approach shows empathy? A. I don't know what to tell you, it's company policy. B. Answer: I understand your frustration, let me find a solution for you. C. You should have read the terms and conditions more carefully. And D. There's nothing I can do to help you with this. Answer: I understand your frustration, let me find a solution for you. 7. A customer calls in frustration. What is the best first step? A. Interrupt them to speed up the conversation. B. Tell them to calm down immediately. C. Listen carefully and acknowledge their emotions. And D. Put them on hold until they calm down. Answer: listen carefully and acknowledge their emotions. 8. Which strategy improves customer experience management? A. Providing generic responses to all customers. B. Customizing interactions based on previous conversations. C. Limiting customer interaction channels. And D. Avoiding follow-ups after resolving customer issues. Answer: customizing interactions based on previous conversations. 9. What is the key goal of personalization in customer service? A. To ensure customers always receive the same generic response. B. To reduce engagement by offering only automated support. C. To limit conversations to only scripted responses. And D. To make customers feel valued by tailoring interactions to their preferences. Answer: to make customers feel valued by tailoring interactions to their preferences. 10. Which of the following is an example of personalized customer interaction? A. Dear customer, thank you for your query. We appreciate your business. B. Hi John, thanks for reaching out. I see you previously ordered product X. How can I assist you today? C. Please check our website for solutions to your issue. And D. We cannot provide information specific to your request. Answer: Hi John, thanks for reaching out. I see you previously ordered product X. How can I assist you today? Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. 11. Why is remembering a returning customer's preferences important? A. It helps build a stronger relationship and improves customer loyalty. B. It allows businesses to charge them higher fees. C. It ensures customers don't switch to competitors. And D. It reduces the need for customer service training. Answer: it helps build a stronger relationship and improves customer loyalty. 12. Which technology is commonly used to support personalized customer service? A. Cash registers. B. Office clocks. C. Customer relationship management, CRM software. And D. Generic email responders. Answer: Customer Relationship Management, CRM software. 13. What is the best response when a customer says, "I feel like nobody is listening to me"? A. I'm sorry you feel that way, but there's nothing I can do. B. You should be more patient while we handle your request. C. I'll transfer you to another agent who might listen better. And D. I understand your frustration. Let's go over your issue again and find a solution. Answer: I understand your frustration. Let's go over your issue again and find a solution. 14. Which of the following helps enhance customer experience? A. Providing quick and personalized responses. B. Delaying responses to filter complaints. C. Ignoring online reviews. And D. Offering one-size-fits-all solutions. Answer: providing quick and personalized responses. 15. How can companies use customer feedback effectively? A. By ignoring negative feedback. B. By using feedback to improve products and services. C. By removing negative comments from social media. And D. By responding to only positive reviews. Answer: by using feedback to improve products and services. 16th. A customer frequently buys from your business. How should you acknowledge their loyalty? A. Avoid interactions to save company time. B. Ignore their purchases because they'll return anyway. C. Increase the product price for them. And D. Offer personalized discounts or loyalty rewards. Answer: offer personalized discounts or loyalty rewards. 17. What is an example of proactive customer service? A. Waiting for customers to complain before addressing issues. B. Sending automated responses without reviewing customer concerns. C. Following up after a purchase to ensure satisfaction. And D. Ignoring repeat complaints from customers. Answer: following up after a purchase to ensure satisfaction. 18. Which of the following statements is true about customer loyalty? A. Satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your brand. B. Loyal customers complain more often. C. Customer loyalty is not important for business success. And D. Customer experience has no impact on loyalty. Answer: satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your brand. 19. Why should customer service teams track customer preferences and history? A. To increase sales by forcing upgrades. B. To offer relevant solutions and improve experiences. C. To limit customer options and control decisions. And D. To minimize interactions with customers. Answer: to offer relevant solutions and improve experiences. 20. What is the ultimate goal of customer service? A. Maximizing profits at any cost. B. Ignoring complaints to focus on new customers. C. Reducing customer interactions to save time. And D. Resolving customer issues while improving satisfaction. Answer: resolving customer issues while improving satisfaction. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.